the families of the founder members who expired, and I feel a little bit emotional today also after seeing all these things, and I wish all the journalists in Manipur who are taking part and who are doing their jobs in this difficult time, may God bless all of them and let Manipur restore peace again, once again.
Now you send a message of togetherness to all the community living in the Manipur. What was this message sent to them?
Actually, Manipur is the home of we 34 recognized tribes, including all the communities, irrespective of caste and religion. So that was the message which I have given in today's celebration, that those communities who are residing in the state of Manipur since the time immemorial, there should be a proud citizen of India, there should be a proud Manipuri. That was my message.
There was an achievement from the part of the Assam Rifles to nagging a Burmese militant outfit who has brought arms inside Manipur. So how do you react to this time now? It has already proved that there.
No, I really appreciate the activities of the Assam Rifles who arrested one Burmese national, one KNB. As a chief minister, I continuously claiming since the beginning that the present crisis is in Manipur is the hand of the outsider, foreign hand. But some people believe, some people do not. But I appreciate the Assam Rifles who apprehended the foreign nationals, the Kanabi cadre, along with the evidence of the arms supplying to the militants operating in Manipur. Thank you.
Another case, some of the relief camps are in a deplorable condition, not meeting their requirements. Yesterday we have gone to Kumbi Terakha. They were supplied with the rotten.
You are very right. Due to the prevailing situation, sometimes government machinery also could not reach the area. So just we are lifting curfew today up to 2 p.m. I have sent a government official to look after the condition of the relief camps.
The last question, sir. Internet ban has already hampered the works of the media persons, even while sending video.
It is hampering everywhere. But you know, protection of life and property is more important to the government. So some miscreants is always taking this chance of any event, any crisis, spreading it wrongly, mobilizing the peoples to strike against the government, to strike against the community. So that is the reason why we keep some structure. But today, after this, the many complaints, many requests from the media person has come, and after reaching my office, I will definitely discuss the matter with my colleagues. Then we will take a concrete, positive decision.